Oh my goodness!
I had presents.
Who's
Who's here?
I'm glad I rang the doorbell. Who wants the present?
Do you have a present for the children?
Who's here?
Hi, Santa!
It's Santa Claus.
Hadley, somebody get rid of the dog. I don't think Santa has a
I
present.
got
doesn't like
something
dogs.
here.
Who's that?
Wow.
Who's this for? Who's this for? Ho, ho, ho! Who's this for? Oh, good. Here, Hadley, this is for you.
Ooh. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you, Santa. Where's Kevin's
There's no
present?
need for the P-I-L-L-O-W.
Ho, ho, ho! Where is it? I got something. Who's this for?
Hunter. Hunter.
Why do I have Hunter here? Ho, ho, ho! This is for Kevin. Where's Kevin?
No.
Kevin here. What? Oh,
Bye.
Wow.
No.
All right.
Do you want to go say thank you to Santa?
what a good boy.
She said no.
Okay, I didn't
Oh,
know.
Uh,
Okay, thank you, Santa.
wow.
Should I go? Goodbye.
You know you're very busy, Santa.
Yes.
Yeah, Santa's got lots of other stuff to do. Oh, there goes Santa. Kevin, say bye, Santa.
Bye.
Kevin, say bye, Santa. Bye, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Santa. Merry
Where you
Christmas.
gonna find the reindeer? Huh?
Wow. Kevin, where did Santa go?
I can't believe
Where did Santa go? Wow.
he went to another house.
Wow. Santa was here. Hey, Kev, let me see what Santa got you. Come here. Wow, you want to open it? You want to open it, Kev? All right, let's open it.